Afternoon, boys and girls, and happy New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. Let's bring in 2019 the right way. I'm personally going to get fucking verschnicked, and hope you guys enjoy your New Year. I apologize that I haven't put out any videos recently. While I have several that I was planning, you know, with the holidays and work, because I do still have a day job after all, and technical difficulties have made this problematic. I've actually recorded 3 videos. One was on a vortex marble, one was on how to make a pickle pipe. That particular one didn't turn out very well. And another was, oh god, what was the other one? I don't remember what the other one was anymore. But sadly, I had technical difficulties with all 3 of them. The pickle pipe difficulty comes from the fact that I was using the wrong green frit. I was using shamrock, which little did I know shouldn't be imploded really ever. Since this was just one example of a piece that cracked as I was working on it, and I certainly don't want to put out videos of me fucking shit up too bad. Luckily, I got a bunch of evergreen that works much better than the shamrock. And the other difficulties came from recording. So the last one that I made was on a vortex marble. It turned out pretty cool. I even had my little apprentice Mara was in here with me, cracking wise the whole time and really making the video kind of longer, but she was a lot of fun. She was a great comic relief, so we're probably going to bring her back for a couple videos anyway. But sadly, that video I managed to fill up. I was trying recording in Ultra HD, which apparently is about 4 gig every 10 minutes. So the video stopped recording about 3/4 of the way through, and of course I didn't know, because your phone, when you're recording on it and it stops, it just stops. The video before that, I actually tried using my Canon T5 to record the video, and apparently it overheats about 15 minutes into a recording, so we're not going to use that anymore. So, you know, plagued by technical difficulties and whatnot, that's fine. New year, new you, all that crap. So we are taking things to, we're going to step things up. We're going to take it to another level here. Starting with, in a few days, I am buying a Panasonic Lumix G85 camera to record these videos on, which is not going to have the overheating problem. It's not going to have the cutting off problem. And if it does stop recording, it makes a very conspicuous shutter sound. So I know that I need to pause what I'm doing and go fix it. So, that being said, I'm adding to the technology here by adding this camera. I figured out how to create for this camera a Philips ACE202 lens cover that will allow you to actually see through the fire and see what I'm doing, which I'm probably going to put on some kind of an articulation so I can flip it on and flip it off and all that crap. Another important change is the addition of this articulated camera boom that I've already got installed at this point, which basically allows me to move the camera around however I want, focus on our work here. Let's get a bird's eye kind of a thing. There it goes. I'm still a little bit of learning how to use it, but that's going to add greatly to the versatility of my recording. The other big change is that Dorothy is going to be joining me in the greenhouse. She won't be blowing glass. She's not a glass blower. She's a jeweler. And we're getting her started with sand casting and casting her own pendants and rings and things like that. So expect a few videos involved in that, possibly a couple of very nice blooper reel videos, because neither of us has any idea how to actually do that. We'll be taking this space over here. We're going to be getting rid of that sink. That sink doesn't work anyway because the pipe froze and I had to turn the water off. We'll be getting rid of that sink. We'll be building Dorothy a bench over here, moving the tanks around a little. So she will have workspace over here. And we're probably going to start doing more mixed media type stuff between the two of us, collabs anyway. And I guess it wouldn't be that bad to bring a little estrogen into my studio. So expect big changes. Another big change is I have a lot more music, so we don't have to listen to the same 60 songs over and over again. I have a lot more royalty-free music, so I won't get sued, but we won't be stuck in that same rut. You know, the song's not bad, but come on, man. Anyway, peace out, y'all. Have a happy new year, and be safe. Later.